Yo! Yo, 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 yo! What up, Rick? Yo, I got 1080p HD, baby. Woo! Yo, Brandon. Yeah, I mean, I've only been nothing I liked has really shown itself up until maybe right here for a short. I've just kind of been playing around with something. My personal setups have not happened during lunchtime today. So as you can see, I didn't even touch these accounts. Um, I have just kind of been playing around. I might take a short with a stop at high a day. It's not a great, uh, it's not a great setup. It's just literally a stab at something.
Order filled.
It's a stab at something, and if it's right, awesome. And if it's not right, I'm okay with the loss. Oh yeah, you hear that? Oh yeah. What do we got? Can I? Peach 5. Look, it's like 3D. Hold on one second. Wah. There we go. Peach vibe. Bro, I like Big Cove. Hey, if you got in the short, take your money. Take your money. Take your money. I'm gonna
Order
take
filled.
140 bucks in that account because I'm up. Uh, I don't know. I might just freaking hold it. I'm just gonna go right at break even and see what happens. What's the worst that could happen? It's a free trade now, right? I made 140 bucks and this is a free trade. I mean, listen, if they push it back down to like 24 or 17, like I'm moving my stop down, obviously. But I might move it down just to the top of here. Lock in just a couple bucks. Couple bucks. What up, Double O? Couple dollar make you holla. I don't know. What did I make? 30 bucks there and 140 here. Yo, what up, Jay Styles? You know you're the only YouTuber that I have notifications on for? Dude, I just think it's a great stream. I appreciate it, DW. And I'm glad that you enjoy it. I do it for the people. I do it for the people. Oh, I got my water. I got my Celsius. Boom, boom. I'm glad I got out of that trade, but it was nice. I'll probably take a big shot in this account at some point. Maybe not today, but that's what I like about my funded futures. There's no consistency rule in this account. Dude, you're holding the YM. Yo. I like that I was able to get on 1080p. Yo, I think the stream looks even better than earlier today, right? Doesn't the stream look more crisp? Is it more crisp or crisper? I think it's more crisper. The stream looks crisper or more crisp? Which one are we going with? Did I pay anything? No. You get it for free. When you check out, it's crisper. But yeah, I didn't pay anything. You get it for free. What's the? Here's the page. I'll put the. That's the link right there. That's how you go. Only for you, Mr. Anderson. This is what I got on. Add indicators. Right flip. Yo, the best part about it is, look. So, do you want this indicator or this one, or which indicator are we going with? The one up top, or dude, it's fucking backwards. It's so I gotta point to my left to point to the right. Which one do you want? But yeah, this is all the ones that it has. Dude, I'm gonna take a random. I'm actually looking for all the way down. Yeah, it hasn't. Yo, I hooked it up in 1080p. I hooked up the 1080p, man. Yo, I one time had to hit up funded next support, dude. They're paying the fucking ass. Yo, what up, Ian? We're red today, brother. You can add a vertical mirror filter to your camera. Dude, I'm not even touching it. Not even touching it. I will look for it though. What does it do? So when I go right, it goes right on there? Yeah, right? That would make sense. So I don't have to go left. Because I got to look at the screen and then like point. Dude, it's like 3D. Look at that. That's solid, DW. You meant a horizontal mirror? What's that do? Do I know if it has volume profile? Volume profile, and it has an imbalance tracker. All right, I am moving this to break even because my entry sucked, and if I get stopped out, I get stopped out, which looks like it's gonna happen. But it was a good shot, right? If I had one shot, one opportunity, this is everything I ever wanted. I'm in with a break even trade. I hate how it sold off down and then came right back up. Right click the source. Oh, I see it. Yeah, but dude, now I'm fucking upside down. Yeah. Flip horizontal turns me upside down. Yo, Maria's back. Guess who's back? Back again, again. Yeah, it's vertical. Yeah, I'm so glad I got out of my fucking short. Dude, I called the top on this. That was literally a 40-point dump. Dude, I just gotta hold. I literally called the top, Monet. I just didn't hold. So stupid. Oh, that was so stupid by me. I called it. It was literally the top. And then I was in it right here, and like an idiot, I fucking. So stupid. Ah, man. Why? Why? Dude, that sucked. I mean, I'm glad that you guys got it, but the fact that I did not fucking stay in is ridiculous. That's crazy that I didn't stay in. I can't reshort it here. I mean, there's no way. Dude, that's such a freaking, that's ridiculous. I don't love shorting is the freaking problem. Yeah, I just don't love it. Fuck. You don't even want to know. I just missed out on something else. Something else that alerted me to short up top. This looks like we're going to go down lower. Dude, are they going to let this? If they let this go, this is such a little bear flag. It's all about if they're going to let it go or not. This would be the move. You kind of got it, but you need continuation. Continuation just drops this thing. You get real continuation. Yeah, if it don't break, if this don't break, this is coming all the way back up. This is the move if it breaks. But you broke the bear flag right here, and they have no push. See, you broke it, no push. Would you FOMO in at the top? Oh, come on. Why? Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, come on. Get down. Get down. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Let's freaking go. Wah, wah. Bro, what didn't he say? What up, TJ? Come on. Just dump it. I only got one left. I played this in a. I played this in a, what do you call it? What did I play this in? Oh, no, a funded account also. I just copied the trades. I can't believe I didn't hold it from the top, though. What a loser I am. I hate that shit. I'll be here and I'll be like, oh, this looks so good. This looks amazing. Let me short it at the top and then not get it. Oh, just another day in the neighborhood. I'm just looking to see if I have any other evals over here that I need to freaking punish. Any eval punishing needing? Dude, I can't tell you how happy I am that I should have lost so much money today and did not. Oh man. What up, Keith? I've been sticking to this new strategy that I've backtested over the weekend. It's working out great. Hold on. I'm reading the rest of it. It's working out great. I'm learning to enter the trade with my brackets and leave the fuck alone whatever happens, happens. Yo, I said this over the weekend. If you back tested and then forward tested and it works, just buy and leave it alone. You already did the tests. You know it works. If you know it works, just leave it. You know? I think people get too, I think when it starts to happen, people get too worried. Oh, what is it? Not. It was. It's not anymore. I gotta update that. Hold on. Just another thing I gotta update. Just another thing I gotta update. Updated. I think Apex is back to 80% off, by the way, which is their normal deal. I can't believe I can't believe I didn't freaking do that. Oh, that's how I feel. Broke that lower low. It kind of looks like we're bear flagging and just gonna go down lower. That's what it looks like. If I had to guess. If I had to throw out a guesstimate, I also learned a valuable lesson about copy traders, by the way. If for anybody that uses NinjaTrader, uh, if you use NinjaTrader, the copy trader is kind of fucking wonky if you do way too many accounts. Just throwing it out there. Just throwing it out there. Just throwing it out there for anyone that doesn't know. But yeah. It's Replicanto, stock itch. Yo, nice, Fred. Past 2 accounts. Nice. Um, yeah. So basically, I had an issue, a big issue. Um, I was copy trading. I was copy trading Quant Tower through TradeSyncer into Replicanto, and then I got a notification that I was using uh, too many cons. We're going down with tariffs data being negative. Yeah, TJ, they could definitely fix that, but they don't. I had this fucking trade at the top. So stupid. Yeah, so what happened was I got notified that there was too many cons, so I closed my trade out today. Um, and luckily I did because it was green. Otherwise, the trade it was going to be red. Dude, this is such bullshit. Replicanto is made by Flowbots, so it's its own. Oh my god, this was so stupid. I learned that every trade is not A plus. That is true, Brandy. That is true. The reason I like this trade was pretty much you just swept these highs. You inverted to the downside, and that was why I was taking it. Is this better by any chance right now? Better than normal? Patient? I just didn't have it in front of me. Samesies? Why? What's it sound like? What's it sound like? Um, Settings, audio tab. I don't know. It doesn't. I'm looking for the snowball mic, but it doesn't. It's not showing my mic, so it's actually I think the audio is actually coming out of my webcam. I actually didn't even. I wanted to do this in a different account. Fuck. 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 Whatever. This account needed money. I wanted to copy trade. This trade is what I wanted to do. Ah, garbage, garbage, garbage. Whatever. Sounds great. It's called a blue snowball. Yeah. I gotta see if I could set it up in the thing. Yo, you don't. I don't think you know how hard doing this shit is, Knob. It's. I gotta look into doing the banner shit. I've been playing around with it. Uh, I've just been playing around with it. I've been putting more emphasis on sound and audio, like the audio, getting on 1080p. I've been putting more emphasis on that rather than the other stuff. But yeah, I mean, this is gonna take me dicking around with. I'm gonna have to dick around with this at another time when I'm off the stream. That's what I'm gonna try doing for tomorrow. Well, it sucks so bad, but it gets people to look at it. I guess. I don't know. I don't know. I was playing around with it. I'm playing around with it still. Still doing it. Um, Dude, I found out how to do banners, which is cool. I can do GIFs now in the bottom right. Um, you know, yesterday's stream was delayed like 20 seconds. This one's like 3 or 4 now. I'm there's so many options within there's so many options within this version that I gotta just learn how to use it. I heard if you don't use it, you lose it. So I'm just kind of playing around with it. But I don't know. The dice control guy will come over and fix it for you, dude. He's freaking hysterical. Uh, Chris, Chris Bova. Dude, this thing looks like it's gonna go all the way low of day. I mean, who has the balls to hold till 16? I have a feeling we're going all the way down. This account's kind of hit pretty hard. I think there's a daily loss. Are you long or short, Ray? Been long forever? Oh, jeez, Ray. Gotta take that L. Dude, I didn't even know I had more freaking Celsius to drink. Didn't even know. Damn, Knob. Damn. It's fucking savage over there. Should have went to the gym. Dude, I just got a random text from Ballpoint Marketing. The fuck is this? I just replied back, what is ball bag marketing? How's trading going? Trading's going good. I actually just called the top of this and didn't hold because I'm an idiot. True story. Damn. Yo. It's so funny because they send you the messages and then you make fun of their companies and then they get all mad. Like, it's not ball bag marketing, man. It's called Ballpoint. I'm trying to help you out. That's what he's going to respond back with. And just be like, whatever, ball bag. Yo, it's so funny. What is my day job? I do OnlyFans when I'm not streaming. I stream over there. Oh, I'm stretching my fucking arm out. Holy shit. They watch me on OnlyFans. They pay on OnlyFans. Dude. Yo, the yo-yo? I think we're just going lower, personally, but who the fuck knows? Who knows? Dump it! Dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it. Come on, baby. Yo, maybe I'll do that while I trade, TJ. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's go. Gotta get a bleach job first. Come on. Just dump it. There we go. Come on. Come to the dark side. Let's go. Look at NQ on the 4 hour. I don't know. Might hold this pivot point. Dude, come to Butthead? I don't know, man. They might pop this thing. What's... I can't believe I'm in profits today. Why? Was it that bad of a day? What'd you do, Jaden? Why was it so bad? All seriousness, if this pops over this, I'm out. Dude, I can't believe I'm in profits either today, to be honest with you. I almost started off so fucking bad. But I got lucky. I got lucky one time with my copy trader. Been trying longs only, but market's still going down. Gotta open up your eyes. Play both ways. Yo, you gotta be able to swing both ways, Jaden. I have no fucking idea what that was. What was that? What the absolute fuck was that? Anybody know? Bro. Dude, I got my back blown out on that candle. It looked good for a second. I would assume now it pumps. To be honest with you, you just swept, and I bet you they come up to at least 80. I would imagine 80, 81 is where they're gonna come up to at least. Dude, that was wild. That was some fucked up. Yo, we're back green. Oh, dude. Easy there, Keith. Dude, that's crazy. They fucked everybody. They got the longs out. They literally just fucked everybody on that. That was that candle. U.S. charges Chinese nationals with NVIDIA chip export. What? Oh, shit. I wonder if that just dumps the market. I wonder if it just collapses it. I wonder if like Nvidia is just dumping with it. Super risky to play, just an FYI. Just an FYI, super risky to play. Yo, Ian, I saw a video. I saw a video the other day. I think it was over the weekend, and I thought of you. Uh, this guy made $1.6 million on Liberation Day, trading 0-day options, and it's somebody like that I know who he is, so it was actually real. That's crazy. So luckily I got out. Holy shit. I would let the news just settle down for just a minute. Just let it chill out. Let it chill out for a minute. Boom. It only goes up. Nothing can stop it. Uh-oh. TPO. I activated the funded, went up 200, said, you know what? Let's just get a little bit more. Went down to $38 of drawdown left. Full ported, revived, and Jesus, Dell. Bro, that's freaking all over the place. That's all over the place. Yeah, that's who it was. Visible. It was Sanlucci. Yeah, he did 1.6 on Liberation Day. That's crazy. Um, This is getting interesting right here, though. I want to see a sweep. Dude, if we can see a nice sweep below, we might not get it, actually. I'm just looking. I got out real fucking quick for reasons of I want to see a new low here. I want to see this low taken out. And being that we didn't take it out, I got out at the 9, which was great. I want to see it drop lower. Come on. I want to see new lows. Down at 23,084. I'll be honest with you, that'd be awesome. That'd be a great spot to sweep down and then come back up. How do I do multiple props to Ninja? You just in the connections area, Del. You just keep adding them. Go to connections and just keep adding and connections configure. Yeah, this is this is what my P&L looks like today. Connections, configure, and then you'll be able to add them all. See, that's not a terrible day, right? That's an okay day. I take that. When you hit connections, you don't have a configure button right here. No, you don't need a personal account. I don't know. If you don't have a configure button, that's kind of weird. I don't really know what to do if you don't have a configure button because that's how you do it. Put it, screenshot it. Screenshot it, put it in the Discord. Let me see what you have when you click the connections button. Let me take a peek see. Nah, you don't need to be in your personal. I might take this. Dude, I am gonna just switch my fucking copy trader up just a little bit. I'm gonna add Yo, Del. Uh, I've never seen that before. I don't really know. Honestly, I don't know why it's not showing you the thing. I don't know why. That's so weird. Smash that freaking like button. What up, barbecue? Yeah, I hit up Ninja and say, dude, what the hell? What the hell, man? That's what I would tell him. What the hell, man? I actually like this, which is crazy. This is actually a pretty nice setup. Um, I'm looking to get back into this thing. Oh no. Oh no. 51? Fuck, man. Such a bad buy. I literally bought at the 34. This account I had to buy. I'm forward testing something, but oh, dude, I literally just hit its head on the pivot point. Fuck me. I got such a bad entry. Oh, I would love to just exit this out at like break even. If this thing comes back up to like 56, I'm just gonna move my stop up and get out with a small loss. Just get me out. Just get me the fuck out. Just get me out. I'm just gonna get out with a. That's it. I'm fucking out on that. I don't want to take. It's just a bad entry. It's a bad. I didn't realize that we were hitting our head. I like the structure here. I like everything about it, except for the fact that we're hitting our head on the pivot point. And if I want to get in, I want to get in on a. I want to see it dip and then come back up. Get one of those where the manipulation candles to the downside and then back up. I'm in it on this account for something else. Do not follow this account. This is, I'm forward testing something, so we're just going to see what happens here. I do like it. I want to see one of those, yeah, like a panic, like down to like 38, and then the next candle bring it right back up. Down, back up, and then I'm in. Then I'm fucking definitely in. I might be in anyways. Fuck it. I'll jump right here. I bet you we go up to here. That's the true target. I usually like to see those though. I like to see a liquidation candle because then I know when we come back up, it usually pushes through because you get people coming back in. Come on. Watch us consolidate for like two or three candles and then up. Nope, here's that fucking candle. I'm gonna get taken out on that candle I talked about, and then I'm gonna end up fucking getting back in. Watch. It's gonna be so stupid. Watch, this is it. This is what I talked about. It's fucking stupid to me. Watch, gonna come down. This is it. The next candle is gonna bring it right back up to 150. Watch. We push down 43. This thing's gonna fucking go. It's getting really tight. The 9's coming up. I'm watching it because I think that all of a sudden it's going to pop back in the zone. Here we go. This is it. See how they do that shit? If this green candle comes all the way back up to 53, it's a really good sign. You're back in here, and then I wonder if they push it up to like 72 or 95. I'm looking bullish now. I want to see it set up. I'm watching it just set up. Come on. What are we doing? I'm not taking this short. I mean, we might go down. I'm just not taking it. You think so, Fred? I think they're playing with all the shorts right now. They're playing with everybody. They're getting everybody in short. And then they're going to push it. Everybody's getting in short. They're calling grandma up. Yo, it's time to get in short. Time to tell all your bingo friends. Time to get in short. And then they're going to fucking fuck everybody. For me, this isn't a short that I like. You know, I'm not into this type of short. I like the shorts at the top of the range when we go sharply up and then come right back. I actually called the top before, literally. Let's see what happens. I'm not even risking 10 points. Oh, no, I actually am. Jeez. Okay, maybe I am. This is a classic ITC long. Yeah, I don't know nothing about that, to be honest with you. It's just things that I look for. We'll see what happens. Listen, if it goes below 138, I'm fucking out. But, you know, I might get stopped. Yo, what was the issue, Dell? Needs to come back up over 150 is what we really need. Stochastics, 14.33. All that is to kind of keep me out of doing stupid shit. Oh, you have to enable it? There you go. All right. Come on, baby. We need some big cove here. Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, baby. Pump, push it. Boom. Little flea flicker action. Right? Bing. Come on. Let's go. I'm talking to you. No. Fuck. Stopped out. AMD is after hours today. AMD earnings is after hours. The crazy part is I truly think the bottom is in, and I do think we work our way up. Just take me out of this small piece at 59, motherfucker. Let's go. Come on. At least take me out of this freaking 5-piece McNugget right here. Come on, baby. Please. Please. No! Oh. Fuck, man. Oh, I was just up over $100 in each account. Come the fuck on. Let's go. All right. Now I can't lose. I don't want to get stopped out, though. I want them to push it out of this fucking zone. Push it out of this zone, motherfucker. Let's go. You know, worst case scenario is I've locked in some gains here. Yo, what up, DB? Dude, are you fucking kidding me? I mean, I made money, but I'm down $93 in this whole fucking debacle. But oh, you know why I'm only down 93 bucks? Because I bought 15 micros instead of 5, like I've been playing. I obviously went in heavier. Oh, fuck. Dude, I think I got rid of all the bots. Is that crazy to say? I think I got rid of all the bots. You got a poor low, one time framing down single prints. Yeah, I don't know, Knob. I don't know. Well, you know how I can tell is the duck race isn't flooded with like random fucking people. The duck race used to be flooded with people, like 60 people on the stream, 100 people adding. It's not like that. So I just noticed, it was just something I noticed. Oh, I'm going to get stopped. That's fucking crazy. This looks so good, like for a consolidation to the upside, and it's just not going. It's just not. That's crazy. I didn't go. You know how many times I've seen this setup, and we just push all the way up. I got this account I have a stop in, so whatever fucking happens, happens. That's crazy. I mean, I still think that the bottom is, I don't know. I mean, it doesn't look like they're pushing low. Watch this eventually go. I still have five micros in, so I'm letting this ride. I mean, I'm in for another reason, but I'm telling you, I fucking really think it's gonna go. AMD has earnings today. They're gonna push all the chips up. I feel like the chips are just gonna fucking run. What's the low here, anyways? 42. AMD has earnings after the bell. I think AMD is going to have great earnings. I just fucking feel it. I could obviously be wrong about that, but AMD's up a ton. So I can't believe I didn't buy any fucking AMD. It just needs to get out of this fucking consolidation, and then they'll just let it run. Yo, what up, Taco Tuesday? And we wait. Let London low going to be resistance at 200. I mean, listen, if we go up to 200, I'd be more than happy, DW. It's, my average trade time seems to be over an hour to two. What size are you trading though? Are you trading micros or minis? What are you doing? Go, man! Are you too good for your home? Dude. Come on. Answer me. What up, Anderson? Come on. Jeez. Oh, fuck, man. We're going back down now? What are we doing? Go that way. Go! Come on. We can do it. Push it. Push it. Boom. Boom. Just go. 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 Bro, I should wear a King Kong suit. I think this is better than the other stream software. Yo, there's games. CT, you could do the games. The heist game is all on here still. All the games are still on here. All the games are still on here. I sold out 3. Bro, Trade Day's dashboard is so fucking bad. It's literally the worst. I don't know of a worse dashboard than that. All right, I'm moving my stop up to here. I'm coming out with some type of gains here. I would like to see them run it to the 200, but if I get stopped, I get stopped. Fucking is what it is. There's no juice. I need the juice to be loose. Push it. Ho, ho, ho. Push it. Nope. Oh, it didn't fool me. It didn't fully fill me? What? I still got 3 in there? There I am. I'm out. My Funded Futures has a great dashboard. It's super easy to use. Bro, that was crazy. It was stupid. Oh, you know what I just realized? I'm just getting out of this, by the way. Just even. Even Steven. I'm not playing that to the end. It gave it all back. Ho! Ho! Dude, this thing is freaking. Dude, I'll be back in 2 seconds. I'm just gonna get more water. I'm going to get more water. Holy shit. Bro, it came all the way back. Yo, Andy, exactly. Ho! Bro, they just fucking ripped this back up. Oh, man. Trade Day is pretty good. I got Trade Day accounts. One that's down massive. I actually just have to make a trade in this one because it's 7 days to pass an eval. So I gotta just make a trade in this account. There we go. I just want to get a trade just to do it. Dude, that's so wild that they did this. Just remember, AMD reports after hours. Um, 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to open up the ducks. We need 2 more duck race ads, I guess. We need 6. We need 6 people. I need 6 winners. That's crazy though. This shit fucking. It's sitting right here on this 4-hour pivot. Uh this is one of those candles though. I'm curious if they just rip it all the way up. AMD earnings are after hours. That's kind of why my bias is to the upside. I feel like they're going to report it's going to be good. All the chips are going to go up. And if the chips go up, it will run the market. It's not really a trade setup. It's more of just a guesstimate that I'm willing to take. But dude, if I would have stayed in that fucking other thing, I would have gotten fucking paid too. I ended up selling out of that here. Would have been 150 bucks. Stupid. It is what it is. It is what it is. Yo, you got DW. Put the code in that everybody's putting in the chat. Everyone's putting in exclamation point Cove Trader. Yo, there's no space though, dude. You just did a space. That's how you get in. Gotta be subscribed to the channel also for anyone that's new. Come on, fucking push it. That'd be so cool if they got me out of 3. Come on, man. Nope. 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 Fuck, man. I know it's gonna go back. It's gonna go back up to 79. If it's just my fucking entry is just not where I got out. I should have just got in. I'm just gonna wait. See, look at that shit. I'm just gonna wait it out. I'm waiting it out. Oh man. By the way, it's over today or tomorrow. Take profit trader deal ends today or tomorrow. Just letting everybody know. 40% off, no activation fee. And if you get a payout, you get your eval money back. I want to see a run. I want to see a run into close. Is what I would love to see. Boom, boom. Yo, who's interested in doing a Survivor football pool, by the way? It's free to join. Survivor football pool. Let's see who in the chat's into this thing. Uh, I mean, it will be free to join. No, it's not gonna. It's not gonna cost any money, but uh, I would be into doing one that costs money. But it's more of just something fun for the chat. Fun for the chat. I can do it on probably ESPN. Probably has it. They got under the pivot point. This is the pivot point top. It's at 55, 56. I wonder if they just reject their heads right here and then fucking down. Duck races, usually it's at like 420. Just buy the dips. Try not to be a scalper in those markets. I know. I know. I got a tight stop right now. I should just move it right here. Come on, man. Get it down to 45 so I can go break even. She's a little bit more. Yo. Oh, I'm saying you have. Yeah. I feel like you do. I'm moving my stop because if this doesn't continue down, I do not want to be in it short. This needs to be the break. This candle. We're just not getting any fucking continuation. 0. That's why I moved my stop down. Just we're not getting anywhere. We are just not getting anywhere. Great yo-yo hour. Yeah, pretty much. Honestly, when we were right here, it looked really good to the upside. And then it just kind of fucking... It's like momentum just died. Yo, does that mean she gives good gummers, DW? Yo, damn, man. Dude, the momentum's just brutal. You kind of got a head and shoulders here. Look, you got a shoulder, a head, you got a little mini shoulder, and then down. You know, this looks like it's a little shoulder, and then we're going to push down. The big problem is, do you get continuation? Do we get under 43 and push down? Do I hold? Chat, do I hold or take gains? Hold or take gains? Damn, it's 40. It's a. I don't know, man. I feel like I'm gonna get fucked. I want this to turn red so bad. If this turns red, I'm gonna move my stop down. Get us under 41. Get us under 41. Get us under 41. Bro. Boom! Boy, I gotta hit it. Boom! 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 Come on! Get down! Let's go! Get down! Just grab it. I'm just gonna go. Bang! Come on, man. Get under 41. Under 41. Let daddy get paid. Come on. Dump it. Dump it. No! Dump it. Please. Please, 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 please. Maybe I'll give you a foot massage. We'll put on your show. Come on. Come on. We'll put on your favorite show. Woo! I'm just moving it down. I don't want to see it go back green. Come on, baby. Come on. Show me the good stuff. Show me the good stuff. Yeah. Oh! Fuck. Hold on one second. I gotta open up my door. Hold on. What happened to her? Oh fuck, man. This does look like we're gonna go down and touch the lows, though. I just hate how the stochastics are so oversold. You know what I was thinking about doing? I don't know how to fucking change this thing now, do I? I can't change this. How do I, Dude. Trying to change this shit on the screen and I can't edit it. Dan, I'm so glad I got out. So glad I done you so wrong. Let's see if I can edit it over here. Crackheads. What? I just read that. It was like crackheads. I was like, oh, jeez. Oh, here we go. This is what I was looking for. Even when I do that, it's still fucking. Even when I do that, it's still blurry. It's not even fucking moving. It's not even moving. I don't understand. There you go. Now you don't have to look at it move, but why is it fucking blurry? I'm still messing around with the stream, guys. Yeah, Survivor is a pick. Yeah, yeah, Survivor of football. Yep. Hold. Dude, I wonder if we just sweep these lows. This is looking like dog shit. MOC. The MOC won't let me be. Yo, watch your positions. MOC about to get real. Yo, you got 1 minute. Up or down? I don't know, man. I'm not playing it. I'm not playing that. I do need one more last winner. Just so we can do a quick I need one more last winner. We'll do it right after MOC. NQ, you've done me so wrong for so long. 5 seconds. Damn, to the upside. To the ups. To the ups we go. Don't ask why. I just fucking felt like it was going to backfill and I could get a quick little bucks out of it. A lot of the times that MOC candle backfills. If you've not, I've noticed it. Where it flashes high to like a certain level. Like it flashed like the 50 and then it just backfills a little bit. Yo, CT was going to play it. CT, did you end up playing it if you're on here? Yeah. Oh, jeez. Yo, I thought you were going to play it. That would have been clean for you, man. That would have been a clean 10 plus points. There you go, Fred. Going down now? Dude, watch out. AMD is reporting after hours. I wouldn't be surprised if they run it. Look, you got a 5-minute 3-bar right here. Dude, I'm going to play it in this fucking account. Rand Gap. I might blow this account, by the way. Do not follow this. This is a Hail Mary. Deuces. Deuces. It was a Hail Mary. The account was smoked. The account had $300 to draw down. Yo, hold on one sec. Which one is it? Which one is it? Maybe it's this. Me just banging on the fucking computer. This is what the market just fucking, dude. I need to get a nuke gift. I need to get a nuke gift. That's what I need. Yo, what up, Ace? Come on. I will say today was really good early on up until fucking this disaster, up until this debacle. I mean, I didn't blow a funded account or anything, but it was definitely a debacle. You got AMD earnings coming up right after. I don't know what time they're gonna do the earnings. Anybody know what time they're doing AMD earnings? I want to say it's gonna be like 4:05, if I had to guess. Yo, 4:15. Damn, Rangat. What caused you to blow so many evals? One of my things I'm focusing on this month is not blowing any funded accounts. No, if I can go all month without blowing a funded account, that's my goal. Zero funded accounts. The only account that went bad is this one that's kind of testing something out. But other than that, I mean, $300. It's not bad. Dude, stop playing Asia Session.
Which app would you like to use?
Asia Session freaking YOLO Elite Eval 2 plus 2K. Oh shit. That's just on my things that I want to accomplish this month is no no funded accounts that get smoked if that's possible. I mean, you'll get there, Rand Gap. Just keep doing what you're doing. You just gotta whatever's working for you. You gotta scale that up and get rid of the shit that's not. Come on. All right, earnings are coming. Who's playing earnings, by the way? I feel like I want to. Um, no blowage in a month is a dream. I mean, that's kind of what I'm trying to go for is no account blow, no funded accounts blown in a month. Go a full month of no accounts being blown. That's the goal. It could definitely be done though. You just don't be stupid. Take good trades. You know, there's no reason why I can't do it. Dude, I'm working on my funded futures funded account back up from $48,000. It's been a trip. It's been a real trip. What do you mean you used all contracts? You could trade more. Buy low, sell high. Buy on green, sell on red. Dude, you know what I'm fucking annoyed about actually? I am annoyed at I'm annoyed at Streamlabs actually. I'm kind of annoyed at Streamlabs because they haven't gotten back to me. And boom, I didn't email about. There you go. Yo, Andy, the other day I needed $50 to pass. I went from $50 to all the way fucking down to 2,000 or 1,800, and then I made it all the way back, all in one day. It happens, man. Sometimes you got to go backwards to go forward. What's up, Mulatto? Yeah. Oh shit. Damn. That's why I don't like this mic here. I'm after the stream's over. I'm actually gonna test if I can go live. I actually am gonna test if I can go live back in Streamlabs normal platform. I'm just kind of curious if it's fixed. No. I'm curious if I can go live though on the normal platform. I don't know. Dude, fucking. Yo, yo, Snap earnings always suck, by the way, and then they come back after earnings. let's see. Snap. Snap has not had it yet. Snap or AMD, neither are out yet. Honestly, AMD is up a ton already, so I don't know. Even if they have good earnings, it might drop. I'm just watching. News is not out. Rivian, dude, what are they doing? Dude, Rivian was like such a hot company ages ago. What up, Glacier? Do I think it's forming a W? It doesn't even matter. Earnings are coming out, so I mean, yeah, but dude, I didn't even play it because. Oh, did you play it to the upside, CT? Yo, it triggered to the upside only. It triggered right here to the upside. Actually, it worked. I mean, you would have gotten your points. I wasn't taking anything with earnings after hours. Dude, AMD is going to come out and see what happens. AMD's going to go down 10% after earnings. I don't know. I'm debating on what I want to do, though. Anyone playing this? Wall Street Ninja short? Was everybody in short over here? YOLO. You're still in this 2-hour trade. How many contracts do you have, DW? I mean, AMD is coming out soon. AMD comes out in 8 minutes. Right after AMD comes out, we'll run the Ducks. I think I'm going to just try to, yeah, I'm probably going to do the bracket. And I'm going for some bucks. I want to make bank, bro. I want to drive a Range Rover and get ass. I think it, you know, the biggest thing you got to watch out for is your stop loss. I know it sounds so crazy, but what happens is because the orders are all over the place, your stop loss could get triggered even though the price isn't even over there, and then it fucks the whole thing up. You should put a stop loss in. I'm just telling you what's happened to me before. You cannot play it on My Fund the Futures. Do not pull out. Do not pull out. It says 415, but who knows? Who really knows? But I'll have a couple little orders in there. I'll play. It is, but you know what? I'm hoping AMD moves. I'm hoping AMD moves Nvidia. Maria, is it free? Is it free? If it's free, just do it. If it's not free, do not do it. If it's free, I think you have. Everyone does a Tradeivy thingy, dude. I want to see a nice freaking green candle here. I think they did at some point. Do not pay. Do not pay. Bro, Snap gets destroyed every fucking year. Snap gets destroyed. I don't think Snap's ever been up on earnings. Ian, that's typically what happens is there's a problem and the market doesn't care about it. Yo, you like that, Corey? Yo, Corey, how funny is that shit? Um, but yeah, I think the market usually disregards things like inflation or whatever it is. They disregard it, and then all of a sudden it becomes a big deal. So I feel like that's what's going to happen with tariffs and everything. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal, and then all of a sudden somebody says it's a big deal, and you're down 10%. That's typically what happens. Bro, AMD comes out. Come on. I just want a fucking quick. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting until they freaking do it. That's typically what happens is it's not a big deal until it is. You know, it's definitely it's never a big deal. Oh, don't worry about it, don't worry about it, and then all of a sudden it's a big deal. That's what happens all the time with the markets. See, yo, think about it. Inflation. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't. It took I don't know 9 months for inflation to become a thing. You know, at least 9 months for it to become a thing. You know, the U.S. debt. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Credit card debt. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. These are all things that are going to have to come to a head at some point. Um, you know, this China trade deal on August 12th. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it until all of a sudden August 12th's here and fucking China's, telling us go fuck ourselves. Same with strategies. I feel like it all depends on what type of market you're in. Are you in a market with high volatility, medium volatility, or no volatility? And that's kind of what works with each. Like MOC works great with big volatility. When you have no volatility, it sucks. You know, like even like the drift, like there's certain things that you just need volatility with, and when there is none, you just kind of stay away from it. I'm trying to get close here because I feel like it's not going to give that big of a move. Like AMD is not going to move this 50 fucking points. So I'm just trying to get, you know, I'm just trying to get what I can get here. AMD's earnings, I think, are always down. How's that sound? All right, I'm out of that shit. That was 580 bucks. Boy! Dude, it's how it's done. Almost got hosed? How'd you almost get hosed? What'd you do, Fred? Dude, that was awesome. AMD went up like $3, came down red, and now is. So I thought that was legit. Well, that's why I was saying you got to keep your cells tight. You got to keep it tight. I mean, what I get 7 points. You know, you got to remember this isn't Nvidia earnings. This is AMD. So, you know, you just kind of get what you get, and you don't get upset. All right, let's run the ducks, baby. Let's see what this duck situation looks like. The duck situation. Boom, 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 boom. Shh. Will Uber? Oh, will Uber do anything? Nah, Uber's not going to really move the market. That's not even close to a market mover. I wouldn't. I wouldn't. Nah. Disney? No. No. I mean, AMD is up. AMD is definitely up. You got Shopify tomorrow morning. Shopify tomorrow morning might move the market a little bit. Yeah, Shopify, if anything, is will move the market because that's kind of what e-commerce is doing. I would look at that. That might help retail names out. Give some insight to retail. That's how I would look at that. All right, we're gonna run a couple duck races here. Actually, I gotta put it right here. Quack, quack, baby. Yo. Yo, I can push one of the ducks forward. Boop, boop, boop. Yo, I can just grab, I go out and just grab a duck. Oh my God. Yo, Kevin, are you here? Kevin, you here? Kevin's here. Yo, you can see that we got rid of the bots and the scammers. Look how many less ducks there are. All the scammers are out. The schemers and scammers. Yo, where's Lee B? Is Lee B here? Oh, Lee B's here. Bro, this is awesome. I love when everyone's here. So easy to do this. There's six duck races, and then everyone's. We're gonna do the ball bag. Go, go. Which duck do we want? This one? Ping! Jim M. What up, Jim? Is Jim M in here? Jim M up in here? Dude, look at this one. This is real good odds to win. You ready? Check this one out. 12 people. 12 people went on this one. Odds are winning pretty good. I think we got rid of a lot of the alt accounts, though. Look how many less people there are in it. And, it's all people that I know. Yo, is Nao here? Where's your name? You were not on the stream when we did that one. I opened it up 6 different times. Gotta be on when I open it. I need 6 winners. Yo, TJP up in here? JPP? JPP. Yo, here you are, DW. I literally see your name. I literally see your name in here. So, there you go, DW. Damn, Etsy's getting a little fiery with that. Yo. Yo, check that out. Damn, dude. Obviously, I know that you're in here. Rigged. Yo, holy shit, dude. AMD usually does dump on earnings. Yo, market dumped. All the winners are going to be playing the ball bag. The ball bag race. I'm going to go look at the earnings, though. Damn, man. Look at you guys. It's the ball sack race. Look at this guy go. Oh, there we go. There we go. Look. Kevin. Who's that at the top? TJP. Yo, before I get off, just throwing it out there. Take Profit Trader. I think it ends today or tomorrow. The 40% no activation fee. Just letting everybody know. I'm almost positive it ends today or tomorrow. Somebody's gonna fucking ask me on Thursday. I guarantee it. That's my email address. Anybody got questions? Now's the time to ask. Now's the time to ask. Joe. Anybody? Nah, core account. We're doing cores. Dude. AMD just dumped this bad boy. What's crazy is I like this to the long side if we were at regular market conditions. I'll see you guys in the Discord. Any other questions? I'm going to jump off. I'm actually going to try streaming on my other channel to see if I can hook up to if the Streamlabs other thing works. All right, guys. I'm heading out. If you want to support the stream, use code CoveTrader. If you got questions, come to the Discord. Discord links in the description of the video. And I'll be back streaming tomorrow. All right, enjoy your night.